This station is all about creating an autobiography alphabet. So essentially what you're doing is you are creating an alphabet book using Google Slides, which you are able to manipulate the size of the slide to create, instead of this landscape view, a portrait view. You do that, first of all, you would, excuse me, you would title your presentation Autobiography Alphabet. And then we need to manipulate and change the slide layout and dimensions to look like just a page of paper that would print out on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So we're going to do, first of all, we're going to change the layout of the slide, and that's under Slide, Apply Layout. And we want to go all the way down to the blank one so that there's nothing there. Then we're going to change the dimensions of the page. Excuse me. Under File, you'll go down to Page Setup. You're going to click on the widescreen view here so that you open up and have some choices. You're going to go down to Custom. You're going to change this to 7.5 times the 10 inches and then hit OK. And you'll notice that the slide flips. So that once we get done with this alphabet, and we're going to do it in chunks, it would be able to print out on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper cleanly. So let me just show you an example of one that I have started. You can use whatever you want to make this more interesting. You can use different fonts or word art. You can insert pictures, but essentially what you're doing is you're taking every letter of the alphabet from, let's see, A through F is the first chunk that we're going to do. And you're going to use each letter of the alphabet to sort of describe something about you, about your life that you would like to share. So you can check out mine for A and B, and you'll go all the way through F. Here's what I expect to see for each letter. I expect to see what letter are you working on in some way, whether that's word art, whatever. I expect to see a picture of some sort, and I expect to see some blurb. Excuse me, my voice is gone at the end of the day. I expect to see some blurb about how that letter connects to you as a person. So you will be working on A through F as the fourth station, and when we're finished, you don't need to do anything other than sort of keep it in your drive. You will be adding more to it later as we get going. So this is the fourth station.